ProQuest Central is a general library database that aggregates many sources you may not find in Griffin Search. You can access ProQuest Central on the Databases page, which is linked on the library's homepage, or by clicking ProQuest Central in the Links drop-down menu in Griffin Search. Let's say we're searching for sources about the effects of seeing a mental health professional on academic performance. If you're not seeing the results you'd like in Griffin Search, or if you just want to expand your search, you can switch over to ProQuest Central. You'll structure your keywords in ProQuest Central the same way you structured them in Griffin Search. You can refine your results using the filters at the left. These include filters for peer-reviewed items, different source types, publication date, subjects, and more. You can also change how ProQuest searches from the beginning of your search. If you'd rather search the full text of sources for keyword matches, rather than just the bibliographic information, subjects, and abstract, you can modify your search and click on Anywhere to see more results. Make sure you change all the dropdowns, and then click Search. This will greatly expand your results, though these results may be less relevant. To access a source, click on the title. You'll see the publication information at the top, the full text at the center of your screen, and above that you'll see options for access. We could click on PDF for an easier-to-read format. Near the top of your screen, you'll also see your options to save or cite this source. The Cite button will show you a citation for the source, which you can change into a different citation format if you prefer. Make sure to check these citations before pasting them into a paper. Copy URL will copy a permanent and stable link to this page to your clipboard. Paste it into a document to keep track of your sources. That's it for the basics. If you need help using ProQuest Central, please reach out to a librarian.